Hello everybody, it's Reggie here. Just a quick update. I've not been doing too much in the loft over the last few days. Like the rest of the UK, it's been pretty hot here in the East Midlands, so it's been a bit too hot to work in the loft. Anyway, one thing I did do before the heat wave was I did install some overhead lighting. As you may know, if you saw some previous videos, I've been doing a lot of the LED lighting on the layout, street lamps, etc. But I was never happy really with the actual lighting in the loft. It's just using two strip lights like this. So I've seen some other people on their layouts use LED strips, so that's what I have done. You see there's an LED strip running the full length of the layout. I've got one this side and I've got one over on the other side as well. What I did, made this up at work. It's just a bit of folded sheet with some welded washers on, and then I've screwed hooks into the roof joists. Got some chain from local DIY and suspended it from there. There's a power source, obviously a transformer, which goes down to a plug under the baseboard. And this strip is 4 meters long. And then this is just a bit of temporary wiring. It connects to the other strip on the other side of the layout, which again is a 4 meter LED strip. The LEDs are self-adhesive, but I also used some super glue when I was putting it down. So what I'll do, the LEDs, by the way, I got them off eBay. I think they were about £5 for the one without a plug and about £7 or £8 for the one with the plug. What I'll do, I'll show you the effect of the lighting. I will get 2 more strips to go over this area here and the other side of the layout. That's probably about 2 meters or so. So yeah, I'll do that. Anyway, I'll turn off now and I'll set up and show you the effect without the main lights on and just with the LED lights on. Right, back again. So here you can see now this is the effect with the LED lights on only. I think it gives a better sort of light. It's not so harsh as just the fluorescent tubes. So I'll leave it there and just do a brief running session with the under these LED strip lights, and see you all soon. Thanks for watching, and if you've got any comments or questions, please let me know.